Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
So this period we are going to start with the new topic, combinations. Combinations means what? What are the possible combinations? That means it is with the selection. It deals with the selection. Okay. Suppose imagine in your class, suppose there are 20 students and you want to select 5 of them for a competition. So among these 20 students, we are going to select 5 students. So that is what we call it as combinations, in which all the ways we are going to combine. Okay, so combination refers to the selection. Permutation refers to the arrangement. Okay, Jis. Okay, so permutation relates with the arrangement, and combination means it is the selection. Okay, suppose 3 persons are there. From the 3 persons, how you can select a person, one person? Okay, that's what we are going to discuss in this chapter. Not in this chapter, this topic. Okay, write down. So, okay, the formula is like this. Suppose we have n objects. Suppose we have n objects, and we are going to select out of n objects. Suppose we are going to select r objects. Out of n objects, I'm going to select r objects. So we are able to distinguish the objects. Okay, then only we can select it. We are able to distinguish it. Okay, so in that case, look at the notation, children. So in that case only we call it a selection. The notation we use is NCR. Permutation, we denote it as NPR. Out of n objects, we are going to arrange r objects. Here, out of n, we are going to select r. So we denote this as NCR. Okay, NCR. Okay, in some books, it will be denoted like this, C of n comma r. In some books, if you look in some other reference books, the notation will be like this.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you taught? I just joined.
Yes. Listen, Atulya. What happened? Why you are late?
It's some connection problem.
So join on time. Okay. Now listen. It's out of n objects. Suppose out of n objects, we are going to select r objects. Okay. From n objects, we are going to select r objects. Okay. Selection means we call it as combination, which are the possible ways we can combine. Okay. Suppose we have 5 boys and 3 girls. We want to select 2 boys and 1 girl, means what are the possible combinations? We want to select and we have to combine. So that's why we call this as combination. Combination means it deals with selection. Okay, it deals with selection. So out of n objects, if we select r objects, we denote like this. The notation used is NCR, which is equal to C of n comma r. This is okay. These both the notations are allowed. C of n comma r, and it is defined as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NCR is defined like this. N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. It's defined as NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now we are going to learn the properties of combination. Up to this, is it okay? Is it okay, children? Align? Renil?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, write the next heading, properties. We are going to learn the properties. Okay. So in properties also, first let us write the definition. NCR is defined as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r. The first one, I'm writing the definition once again. Now look at here. What is the relation between NCR and NPR? What will be the relation between NCR and NPR? What is the relation between NCR and NPR? Look at here. Look at this. How NPR is defined. NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial, isn't it? So from NCR, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Out of this, n factorial by n minus r factorial will represent NPR. So what is NCR? NCR is NPR by r factorial. So this is the relation between NCR and NPR. This gives the relation between NCR and NPR. NCR is NPR by r factorial. NCR is NPR by r factorial. Okay, now what is NC0? Calculate it. What is NC0? What is NC0? What will be the answer? What is NC0? By definition, if you apply this, n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial, isn't it? And what is the answer?
1.
1. Okay, because this is n factorial by, we know that 0 factorial is 1 into n factorial. So everything will get cancelled and we get NC0 is 1. Now, next one. Find out what is NC1. Find out. What is NC1? So what is NC1?
N.
N. Is it correct? It is n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Then how will you get this as n, Atulya?
Now it's n factorial by n minus 1 factorial.
Ah.
Then we make it n into n minus 1 factorial
Yes.
by
N minus 1. Okay, very good. Okay, we express the bigger one in terms of smaller one. Among this n and n minus 1, n is the bigger one. So we express the bigger one in terms of smaller one. So now this 2 will get cancelled. So it is n. So we get NC1 is equal to n. Now the next one. What is NCn minus 1? What is NCn minus 1? What is NCn minus 1? So what is NCn minus 1?
n.
That is also n. It is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So minus of minus will become plus. So we get NCn minus 1 is n. Now, next one. What is NCn? What is NCn? Fine. The next one, sixth one, NCN. So what is NCN?
1.
1. Isn't it? N factorial by N factorial into N minus N factorial. So we get NCN is 1. Okay. The next two properties which one we are going to learn are very, very important property. Okay, children. Up to sixth one, is it okay? Is it okay, Dia and Mary? Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dia, okay. What about Anne Mary? Is it clear?
Yes,
Anne
ma'am.
Mary? Sanjana? Okay, what about the others? Any doubt? Okay, okay, Sanjana. Okay, the next two properties are very important properties. Read on. Seventh one. Seventh one. NCN minus R. Find out what is NCN minus R. What is NCN minus R? By definition, it is N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. So it is same as, look at here, minus of minus, it will become plus N factorial into N minus R into R factorial. That is same as NCR, isn't it? So NC N minus R is equal to NCR. NC N minus R will be same as NCR. Next one is also a very important property. NCP is equal to NCQ. Suppose, okay, NCP equals NCQ. Suppose P and Q are the number of objects. So NCP is equal to NCQ implies either P is equal to Q or P plus Q is N. Okay. If NCP is equal to NCQ, look at here, N is same. And we select P objects, here we select Q objects. Then either P will be same as Q or P plus Q will be same as N. Or P plus Q will be same as N. Okay, sir. We have 8 properties. Now using these properties, let us evaluate. Okay, let us learn how to evaluate the combinations. Okay, first I will learn this. After that, we will be learning, applying in the situations. Okay, first let us learn how to calculate the combination. Write the question. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First one, 12C3. 12C3. How to write this? How will you evaluate this? It is 12C3 by definition. What is NCR? Jacob, what is NCR? NCR is
N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial.
So what will be 12C3? 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 12 minus 3 factorial. So that is 12 factorial by 3 factorial into, what is 12 minus 3? 9 factorial. Now what we will do, what is the method we have learned? We express the bigger in terms of smaller. So among this, 12 factorial is the bigger one. So we can write 12 factorial as 9 factorial into 10 into 11 into 12 by 3 factorial into 9 factorial. So 9 factorial will get cancelled. So it is 10 into 11 into 12 by, what is 3 factorial? It is 6. Now simplify and give the answer. Niranjan, what is the final answer, Niranjan?
220.
220. This 220. Is it okay, children? Is it okay? Now do one more question. One more question. This is direct. We are applying the formula. Okay, we apply the definition. We apply the definition here. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We apply the definition and we calculate. Look at the next one. So what will be 13C3? What is 13C3? What is 13C3? Yes, Aditya Dev.
286.
Can you give the steps?
13 factorial by 3 factorial is 13 minus 3 factorial.
It's 13 minus 3 factorial. So we get 13 factorial by 3 factorial into 10, isn't it? So we can simplify this as 10 factorial into 11 into 12 into 13 by 10 factorial. So this two will get cancelled. So one more 3 factorial is there. So what is the final answer? Yes, Aditya, what is the answer?
286.
286. Is it correct, Anashwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Jees, are you able to follow this? Jees? Okay. Jewel is present now. Jewel? No. Now, listen, children. In permutation, apart from definition, we have learned one method, isn't it? Suppose it is 12P2. How we did? 12P2. One way is by using the definition. Another way we have learned, isn't it? 12P2. How we did? How we did that? 12P2.
And factorial by P1 factorial. P1 factorial into P2 factorial.
P2. Repeat it.
No, ma'am, I have wondered if it is that method or not.
NPR. What is the formula? That is the formula. NPR we learned as n factorial by n minus r factorial. That is the definition we have learned. Okay. But when while doing some lengthy questions, I suggested one easy way, isn't it? Instead of doing all these steps, what is the easy way? Suppose it is 12P2. How to do that one?
12 into 11.
Yes, very good. It is 12 into 11. Two numbers, product of two numbers. Okay. Just like this, 12P2 is 12 into 11. Okay, this is how we did for permutation. Okay, similarly, we can find one method for combination. How to evaluate 12C2? How to evaluate 12C2? Look at here, children. 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. From 12 onwards, I'm writing two numbers. 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. Okay, by. Okay, for permutation, no by is there. Here, we have one more by. That is the definition we have learned. What is the relation? NCR is NPR by R factorial. NPR, we know that we can write this as 12 into 11. Okay, then by R factorial. Here R is 2. So 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. So we get this as 6 into 11, which is 66. What will be 15C3 using this definition? What will be 15C3? Renil? How will you do this? 15C3. Renil? C3. How to evaluate this? Renil? Renil?
Yes.
How will you do this? 15C3.
15C3.
What is the formula we have learned for combination? What is the formula you have learned for the combination? 22C2. What is 22C2? Dia? C2. Hmm.
Mm, 231.
Have you calculated that one?
Mm, 22 into 21 by
Ah.
2 factorial.
2 factorial. Very good. Okay, now likewise, here 15C3 means it is 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3. So I'm simplifying. What is the answer? 2, if you cancel, this is 7. This is 5. So we get 35 into 13. What is the answer, Rahul? What is 35 into 13?
455.
455. Is it correct, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 98C93. How to do this? Evaluate 98C93. How to do this? By the definition, or if you use the previous method, we have to write 98 onwards, 93 numbers, isn't it? Is it possible? Okay, so now look at here. Look at the R value. Okay, here R value is greater than n by 2. Is or no? Is it more than half of n? Okay, if you take n is 98. N is 98. So look at R value. It is more than half of n. So if it is like that, means what we can do, we can use the formula NCR is equal to NCn minus R. We can use the property NCR is equal to NCn minus R. So 98C93 will be same as 98C 98 minus 93. So it will be same as 98C5. Now look at here, we have reduced the number. Okay, so from 98, we have tried the 5 numbers. So 98 into 97 into 96 into 95 into 94 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, you can simplify this and find out the answer. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? When R value is more than half of n, we use the formula, we use the property of the combination NCR is equal to NC n minus R, so that the calculation will become easy. Now, cut short, simplify, and give the answer. What is the final answer? Five, if you cancel this, we'll get 19, isn't it? Then 3, if you cancel, 32. Again, if you cancel this, 8 4s are 32. So 98 into 97 into 4 into 19 into 94. That is 98 into 97 into 76 into 94. What is the answer? Alantina, what's the answer, Alantina?
I'm doing.
Doing. Renel, finish the calculation. Renel, calculation is over? No. Okay, what is the final answer?
I don't know if it's correct, but
I give you an answer.
2546637 and 2
Six.
254
25466.
374.
Is it correct, children? Anushwarya, Mehrin,
I got another answer.
what is the answer you got?
67910,864.
Vinayak, what's your answer, Vinayak?
Ma'am, I got Mehrin's answer.
Huh?
Mehrin's answer. I got.
Ma'am, is the answer 67? Starting with 67.
67910,864.
Okay.
That is the correct. Okay. So this one, you redo it. Okay. Check your answers. Note down. Okay. Now I'm going to give 4 questions. Okay. What you have learned now is based on this. You evaluate. Okay. You calculate. We can check how many of you are able to do it. Write the questions. Evaluate the following. Use the properties. Evaluate. First one, 12C5. Second one, 10C8. Third one, 10C6 plus 10C7. The fourth one, 15C8 plus 15C9 minus 15C6 minus 15C7. 15C8 plus 15C9 minus 15C6 plus 15C7. Calculate this one. Evaluate. Use the properties and evaluate. Use all the properties and evaluate it. I'll mark the attendance.
Can you show the sheet?
Is it over, children? Let's check our answer. Ready? Roshan, finished?
No, ma'am.
So which one you are doing? Third one. Okay, shall we evaluate this? Okay, children. So how to do this 12C5? Samia, what is 12C5? Samia. Samia? Fahis, give the answer, Fahis. How to do 12C5? Fahis, 12C5. Yes. Fahis. Okay. Fahis. Align, give the answer, Align.
Ma'am, 12 factorial by factor 5 factorial into
By-
7 factorial.
Instead of that, what is the easy way? Whenever it is given evaluate, you can do it by the simplified method. Okay, how you can do this 12C5? Yes, Elaine, shall we try in this way?
I done the other method, sir.
Yeah, yes, 9 into 8 by, what is the final answer?
Ma'am, 792.
792. Others, check this value, children, is it correct? 792?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is 10C8? Anaga. 10C8.
10C, 10 minus 8.
Yes, very good. It is same as 10C2. So it is same as 10 into
11 by 1 into 2.
10 into 9 by 1 into 2. Okay?
Yes.
So the answer is 45. Next one, Anashwarya. 10C6 plus 10C7.
Ma'am, 330.
330. 330.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the next one? John Philip.
Ma'am, 15C8 and 15C9 we take NCR and NCN minus R.
NCR is equal to N minus R. Using that property, very good. 15C8, we can write this as 15C7. This one will become 15C6. The same quantity only you have here, isn't it? So no need to expand. Without expanding itself, these two will get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Is it like this, John? Okay. See, okay. So listen, so today we have learned about combination. Combination means selection. So out of n objects, how to select all objects? The formula is given by NCR by n factorial. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And we have learned the properties. Okay. So in the next class, learn the properties and come along with get ready for the test paper in relations and functions. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.